Flash bani fibro ka jim tip nam ta result ba pemi na po ka Mpsc Mekhla Public Service Commission ka bare menta ka sngi ar 4 August aya apsaw te kane ka dem ta kane ka post on the basis of a written examination held on 20 January 2024 and stenography speed test held on 25 May 2024 for the post of stenographer grade 2 kane dem ta ka post stenographer te karan so written examination perkadan saka stenography speed test marbai ka stenographer habdan kambe ka ne ka stenography speed test under the Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guard, Shillong, and under the Office of the Chief Engineer PWD Building, Mekhla, Shillong, July 2019. Te kane ka post lapan mi advertisement adu July arja ka khandai. Te kipendap pada ka examination ho arja arpsau ka speed test ho arja arpsau, which was conducted by the Commission is hereby declared. Te declare ka result but amdon weru balong qualified. No candidate was found to have qualified. Te don kana tuli ki post nge page biang. Kane advertisement stenographer grade 2 under the Department of Civil Defence and Home Guard Shillong karan kawe ka post stenographer grade 2 under the Office of the Chief Engineer Building Mekhla Shillong karan kawe ka post mat artali ka post ka skill of pay ka level 11 graduate in any discipline from any recognized university with minimum speed of 120 words per minute in shorthand te ki hamnang kane ka shorthand bon gine ki lek be ka course diploma course namta ka stenography bon ki banang nam tam don re banang te don tang artali ki post don ba qualify kod ba kiduna ba ki ba yo igine bat ki banang kiduna ba mat kane h rule adab angne kharpa do arnyo relax below 5 year ka de hadu life asnem for SCST nam ta ki bala 3 lupa government service don ka don h limit shoe tang ba don tang weru ba qualify tengah terai kinsa akan next advertisement kinsa panmi biang sa shisin namta kini ki post arteli chokane ga stenographer grade 2 tang kini ki tip please bon